are going to find out who is going home and who is remaining in the competition. All of them are beautiful, and I bet they qualify. But as they say, beauty with brains. So we're yet to find out. And without any further ado, I'm going to call upon the first lady to receive her question. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Alicia Ramorwa.
Good evening, Alicia. What do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Good evening, my name is Alicia Ramorwa. Botswana Diamond built Botswana. We are where we are because of our diamonds. They built the infrastructure of Botswana, the education of Botswana at large. So without our diamonds, Botswana wouldn't be where we are now. So we take pride in our diamonds because our nation was built by our diamonds. So that's what it means to me. Thank you.